Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel.
People typically lose 50 to 100 hairs a day. This usually isn't noticeable because new hair is growing in at the same time. Hair loss occurs when new hair doesn't replace the hair that has fallen out. This condition is called androgenic alopecia, male pattern baldness and female pattern baldness. It usually occurs gradually and in predictable patterns. A receding hairline and bald spots in men and thinning hair along the crown of the scalp in women. This video or solve hair problem.in. This video's 4 best hair solution.
Top 4 Hair Growth Serum 5% Minoxidil for men and women.
Experience the power of our meticulously crafted 5% minoxidil formula that fortifies thin and frail hair, resulting in visibly amplified, denser, and more vibrant locks. Renowned as the top choice by dermatologists, 5% minoxidil stands as the clinically proven, premier solution for hair loss and robust hair growth. Empower your follicles with our groundbreaking Minox formula, providing an added boost. Witness remarkable outcomes within 4 to 8 weeks of continuous application. This serum rejuvenates hair from the roots. Our spray design offers precise dosing at 0.25 ml per spray, ensuring accurate measurement for 1 to 2 months use per bottle. Our bottle's focused jet stream targets the scalp and beard directly, needlessly showering the hair strands. Reach out to us anytime for inquiries or concerns regarding your purchase. Our committed team is at your service. We proudly offer a 30-day refund guarantee to prioritize your satisfaction.
Top 3 Keranique Hair Regrowth Treatment Extended Nozzle Sprayer.
We understand that hair loss can be a vulnerable experience, so we're here to empower you with the best hair growth products to address it with confidence. Our minoxidil spray is an effective and reliable solution for long-term hair regrowth with visible results in as little as 4 months. We're here to provide stronger hair growth for women. 100% of women agreed they regrew their hair, while 98% agreed the Keranique system gave them thicker, fuller, and more voluminous hair. This minoxidil hair growth stimulator comes with a precision sprayer that ensures targeted application, helping to target areas of concern fast and easy. With a trust-built user community of over 2 million women worldwide, we at Keranique are here to offer serious solutions and real results that help you reclaim your radiance and confidence.
Top 2 Nutrafol Women's Balance Hair Growth Supplements.
Nutrafol Women's Balance Hair Growth Supplement is clinically proven for visibly thicker, fuller, stronger hair. Physician-formulated supplement that improves hair growth for women ages 45 and older by targeting 6 root causes of thinning hair, including hormone shifts, aging, and menopause changes. Take 4 capsules once daily for visible results in 3 to 6 months. In a clinical study, 93% of women felt their hair looked healthier after 6 months and 100% showed improved hair growth after 9 months. Featuring a proprietary blend of 21 vitamins, minerals, and natural ingredients, including maca, ashwagandha, and saw palmetto. 2 refill pouches of Nutrafol Women's Balance Hair Growth Supplement, a clinically effective hair growth supplement for visibly thicker, fuller, stronger hair to support women through and beyond menopause.
Top 1 Women's Regrowth Kit Plus Shampoo.
This kit includes 2% minoxidil, the only topical that's been medically proven to boost hair growth in women. It supports blood flow in your scalp, so more oxygen and nutrients can reach your hair follicles. The shampoo, conditioner, and foamer contain green tea, saw palmetto berry, and caffeine extract. These natural compounds help block dihydrotestosterone or DHT, a hormone that shrinks hair follicles and stunts hair growth. rich in natural hydrators and antioxidants. This helps prevent breaking and thinning. The Regrowth kit is free of harsh sulfates, parabens, and other additives that compromise your hair and overall health. That means you can feel confident about incorporating these formulas into your daily routine. Formulated by some of the world's most renowned hair growth experts, these solutions use proven science to revitalize thinning hair. The result is hair that looks full, healthy, and strong.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon.